this equation. So it's y equal x minus p square plus q, right?
Yeah.
Then what's the meaning of this is, this point is your 4, -7. So that means if you sub this into it, you sub in, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, right? You sub in, so your y is equal to -7, your x is equal to 4. Okay, that's one equation. Understand? Next, you have a second point A, right? So that means you sub this in, you sub it in into this. This is your x, this is your y. So your y is equal to -7 and your x is equal to -2. So you put it in. This is your second equation. Are you clear? Are you clear? Hmm?
Yeah.
So what do you see here? You see two equations, right? Can you see two equations?
Yeah.
So the next step for you to do is this. You use 1 minus 2. That means your equation 1 minus equation 2. Why? Because you use elimination method. Elimination. You know, right, when your equation 1, equation 2, what concept is that? Simultaneous equations. Okay? So they're testing you simultaneous equation here. So for simultaneous equation, there are two methods. One of them is elimination. The other one is substitution. So where I use elimination, you know why? If I use 1 minus 2, right? -7 minus -7, I get 0. Clear? Plus q minus q, I get 0. So now I am left with this one minus this one. Simple? 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 So your job now is to expand it out. So how do you expand? Expand this. So you expand this is, you do it this way. You don't go and tell me, oh, the 2 must go in. No, this is minus. Cannot. 4p to the power of 2 then is go into each of them. 4 minus p square, you cannot do this. You must do this. Okay? So after you expand, right, you should be able to get, let me quickly give you the answer. 16 minus 8p plus p square. Then for behind one, so in between is minus. The minus is here. So for the behind one is 4 plus 4p plus p square. Okay? And your job is to simplify and solve. Plus p minus p, gone, right? 16 minus 4, 12, right? Minus 12p, right? So that means you need to solve this. Can you see that you can take out the 12?
Yeah.
So it's 1 minus p, right? Can you divide by 12 on both sides? Yes. Gone. So 0 divided by 12 is 0. So ultimately you end up with 0 equals to 1 minus p. So your p is equal to 1. Are you clear? So when p equals to 1, what you do? You sub in. Okay? So you just continue. So sub p equals to 1 into 1, which is this one. So it's -7, 4 minus 1 square plus q. So -7, this is 3 square plus q. This is 9, right? Plus q. So this one move over. Oh, this is 9. Don't confuse. Q and 9. So in -16, which is my q. That's it. Done. So p is equal to 1. Q is equal to -16. That's how you solve this.